I'm so freaking late. Okay, hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I'm actually using curlers in my hair.
Okay.
So if you're new here, basically, I usually curl my hair with anything but curlers. Yeah, it's an entire thing on my channel. I have a whole playlist.
Alright, let's start while we do the intro. Alright, so I have a bridal makeup trial in an hour and a half, and afterwards me and my fiance want to do a couples photo shoot because I'm paying money for this makeup trial. So we said, okay, might as well just use it and actually do a photo shoot together. So yeah, just spray my hair with water. So I said, you know what, let me film myself trying out these one curls again, because I did try them before and I don't know, I wasn't totally in love with it. I didn't think I got it right. So I'm actually going to time myself to see how long it takes me to blow dry my hair, curl it, and set it up. Yeah, big trial run. It is now 10:18 a.m. So my plan is to blow dry my hair, then one curl it, then wrap it up in flex rods, go to my makeup appointment, and then before the photo shoot, pull out the flex rods out of my hair, which is kind of what I plan to do for my wedding day. Yeah, I plan to do it in curls, put it in flexi rods while I get ready and everything, and then style my hair before the wedding starts.
Or let me know if you think it's crazy of me to do my own hair on my wedding day.
Let's hope I'm not this flustered on the wedding day, because for some reason I'm nervous and yeah, I'm nervous and flustered. Yeah, I really don't like rushing. And of course my hair is already detangled from after I did my wash day routine. If you haven't seen my wash day routine and my proposal video, I'll leave those videos up in the iCards. Add a little liquid leave-in. This is not necessarily my favorite leave-in when it comes to blow drying my hair, but my favorite one actually finished, so I'll be sure to restock on that before the wedding. Alright, so I'm just taking out my blow dryer.
You know the other thing I'm wondering about? My hair color. I'm really not sure if I want to re-bleach and recolor my roots or let it continue grow. But don't know.
My hair is freshly washed. Forgot to mention that. But it has dried quite a bit, so I'm just re-wetting it a little bit. Especially my roots, because my roots are good. And I'm leaving. It's not leaving conditioner. Just have it in. Question of the day: do you work well under pressure? Because clearly I don't. I definitely need to get better products because my hair is not feeling as... I've blow dried my hair and I have it feeling smoother than it is right now, right? Right now it feels a bit dry. So, if you're not new here, then you already know that I don't use heat on my hair often. At all. Hardly ever. So I don't really keep or hold on to heat styling products. So yeah, I need to go to the beauty supply store. So I jumped out my blow dryer and now I'm going to plug in my Remington curling wand. So let me turn it to 22. Yeah, I turn it on level 22 and I'm going to let this heat up. Alright, so the plan is, after I curl each section with my curling wand, I'm going to then spray it with a little Gots to Be glued blasting free spray. Yeah. And then I'm going to wrap that same section in a flexi rod. And try not to burn my fingers. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just let the curl fall onto the flexi rod. Oh my lord, wait! Remember, I don't know what I'm doing. That's why it's called a trial run. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clearly, I need to move. Alright, hold on. I clearly need to curl closer to my roots. Alright, calm down. I can do this. I can do this. Let's try again, alright? Let's just reset this, alright? Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to part smaller sections. Smaller sections. Yeah. I'm going to try and curl the hair closer to my roots. Without burning myself. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna bend it, my flexi rod in half and wrap the hair around one half. And I'm trying my best not to disturb the curl. I'm just trying to feel how it wants to fall around the flexi rod. And I am just placing it there. Secure it in. Okay. Next curl. And the next curl is going to share the flexi rod with the first curl. Maybe I should spray it with the Gots to Be glue first. I don't know. Let's try that. Hopefully it'll fry. Oh shit! I'll just curl the two first and then just wrap it around the flexi rod. I think that will save me some time. Just do two and curl. Spray, brush, and curl away like this. Definitely don't want to be burning my hand on my wedding day. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So I'm thinking I'm going to need to buy more of these bigger size flexi rods because it's much easier to wrap the hair around. So yeah, I don't have a lot of those sizes. Hello?
Jed,
Mm-hmm.
where are you?
I'm still home. You reach?
Yes, the 12 o'clock is starting.
12 o'clock? Yeah, on the way.
Are you the woman on the way, miss?
Heading there now.
Okay, alright then.
Alright.
The lies. There you go. This bitch.
The
I'm
lies.
telling you. Trifling.
Yeah, it's now 12 noon. Yes, it is now 12 noon. So, I have my appointment now, my makeup trial appointment. I will come back before the photo shoot, finish my hair, and style it for the photo shoot. Lord of mercy, why am I always wait last minute? So clearly I need to know that on the wedding day I need more than an hour and a half to style my hair. Oh no, maybe I should do this the night before. Yeah, the day before the wedding, so that on the wedding day I just wake up, get my makeup done, pull out the curlers, and style the hair. Alright, anyways, I need to go to this appointment, so come back. Alright guys, so I'm back from my makeup trial, and what do you guys think? It's airbrush foundation, and I asked for a gentle smoky eye, shimmery lids, and I want it to look sun-kissed. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks really, really lovely. I love it. Only thing I might change is to do a lighter brown for the smoky eye. Yeah, I think it's a little too dark for bridal, but alright, but I have to finish up my hair. It is now 2:17. Wait, what time? 2:18. Yeah, 2:18 p.m. and my photo shoot is in an hour and a half. No, well, my photo shoot is at 4 o'clock, but I need to leave out in an hour's time. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna finish curling. Yeah, I'm gonna finish curling this, set it up as I have been doing, and then I'm gonna style the hair. So I'm finished doing my hair. I'm going to allow it to sit for about 50 minutes or so while I get ready. And yeah, I'll come back and style it for you guys. Yeah. It's a beach photo shoot, so Yeah. Anyways, I was going to wait until I got on site to pull out the curlers, but I think I want the curls to drop a little bit, so I'm going to pull them out now. And I'll show you the final look, of course, from the photos. Why is it so wonky? I have to make sure I wrap the hair around the flexi rounds properly. Good. Very chic. Kind of like a rollish. I have two outfit change. Why? Why is this? I don't understand. I don't get it. Everything is fine.
West,
Why
on
is
the
it-
west,
why?
the what?
Why? Just why?
Yeah.
So from this trial, it's very obvious that all this hairstyle would do for me on my wedding day is stress me out. Cause I don't know why some of the curls just weren't falling properly. But here I was talking about I wanted my curls to fall a little bit. Child.
Alright, let's just blast it one more time.
This is a photo of my hair when I just got into the car and was heading to the venue. Lovely, isn't it? This is one of the first photos me and my fiance actually took. My curls definitely fell. We can play the game try find a curl cause boy. So then by the time we were ready for our second outfit change, I decided just to give a different look, to put a headband around my head. And I guess there were some tiny little curls at the end.
Alright beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new here, I understand if from this one video you decide you don't want to subscribe and just move on. However, before you go watch some more of my videos up in the iCards. You can get more familiar with my channel and then you decide if you want to subscribe or not. You should subscribe. I hope you subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah.